everybody, it's Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors. I am at the Bass and Saltwater Expo here in Raleigh for 2026. It's the last day of the show, but I figured I'd bring the camera this time, kind of visit some of the people I know at some of the booths, kind of show you some of the products that they have, and come inside and we'll take a look. Cool. All right, everybody, so again, making my rounds around here at the Bass and Saltwater Expo. As I talked to the Warrior Fishing group over there, they told me to come down here and talk to these guys that they know, so I'm here talking to Trey. Ben, the owner's over there, doesn't want to be on camera, that's fine. We've got Ben doesn't want to be on camera. Trey wants to be on camera, so Trey is going to explain the products here at OneCast Fishing. So Ben, Trey, sorry, see I'm getting confused. Trey, go ahead, tell us about your products and where you're located and all that kind of stuff, and then we'll get into the product and what's up.
No, appreciate that. Yeah, Trey here with OneCast Fishing, Fish the Bassmaster Opens. OneCast Fishing is my title sponsor for the year. OneCast Fishing founded out of Sanford, North Carolina, and the founder of the Snagless Jig. So anybody looking for us can find us at onecastfishing.com. We go to a lot of the fishing shows. We'll be at the Bassmaster Classic this year. But everything that you guys need as far as jigs, Ned heads, soft plastics, OneCast Fishing carries that. OneCast Fishing, the snagless jig that I was talking about, is an offset EWG hook paired right here with a soft plastic we called a Nighthawk. This is a great jig that we launched in 2022 to help a lot of people catch more fish and lose less tackle. It's not like your traditional jig. Also this year, new products that we have coming out. This is a Stinger. This is in the alewife color. Okay. This pairs really well with our swing jigs, with our bladed jigs, and so on and so forth. And we got all the different soft plastics like we were just talking about that pair perfectly with the products such as the net heads and the jigs.
Awesome, awesome. And where are you guys located again?
We're in Sanford, North Carolina.
Sanford, North Carolina. So again, you know, if you watch the channel, I like to support locals. This is a great local company. So if you're in North Carolina, check them out online, like you said, onecastfishing.com, where you can get this new product. Is there anything special new other than these two things you want to add into this?
No, I just want everyone to know, like, we create everything here in Sanford, North Carolina. We're a veteran-owned company. We support our veteran community 100%, and we appreciate everyone's support.
Awesome. Trey, thank you for doing this. Appreciate it.
Thanks,
look forward. Hope you had a good show. Hope you sold a lot of product.
Yes, sir.
And I will actually be in Knoxville this year as well.
Awesome.
So I'll see you there as well.
We'll see you in Knoxville.
All right. Thanks, Trey.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.